X and Y safety-rated capacitors are commonplace in power delivery systems that work on AC voltages. Typically, these are large film capacitors or leaded disc ceramic caps. They are used to filter out conducted electromagnetic interference, which is generated by the switching elements of electronics that can create unwanted effects on other systems. The trend of miniaturization of electronics has also extended to power delivery systems in which these are located. The relatively large leaded disc variety are some of the elements that prevent miniaturization. We respond to this challenge by releasing surface mount MLCC X and Y safety rated capacitors. With this new development, we can provide the same level of performance as traditional leaded discs in a space-saving package. For more information, log on to our newly redesigned website, engineeringcenter.com, and search for Ceramic Safety SMD. You can also follow the latest news on our social media platforms. Coming to you from our Cake Lab in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, I'm Wilmer Compagnoni. Until next time.